Last video, I showed you RSI-2 was profitable on 100% of stocks above $500. So I had an idea. What if instead of buying the stock, you bought call options? More leverage, bigger gains, right? I tested it on 1,610 stocks. 96% of them lost money. Quick recap of V39. RSI-2 on 7,000 stocks showed a perfect staircase. Penny stocks under $5, only 27% profitable. But as stock price increased, so did the win rate. Stocks above $500, every single one was profitable, 100%. So the natural next question is, can we amplify those gains with options? Here's the strategy. When RSI-2 drops below 10, instead of buying the stock, we buy a call option. Specifically, a 0.30 to 0.50 delta call with 20 to 60 days until expiration. We target 0.40 delta, which gives us roughly a 40% chance of being in the money. When RSI-2 crosses above 90, we sell the call. If RSI never crosses 90 before expiration, we exit 3 days before the option expires. The details. 1,610 stocks that had both daily price data and options data from 2019 to 2026, $10,000 allocated per trade. One thing to note, the options data comes in weekly snapshots. When an exact price isn't available on the signal date, we use Black-Scholes theoretical pricing. 77% of exits used real market bids, 23% used the model, over 27,000 total trades across all stocks. The headline, 1,610 stocks tested. Only 58 were profitable. That's 3.6%. 96.4% of stocks lost money buying call options on RSI-2 signals. Let that sink in. Now, look at this. Side-by-side comparison with the stock-only RSI-2 results. Penny stocks went from 27% profitable to 0%. Low-price stocks from 53% to basically 0%. Mid-price from 73% to 2.6%. High price from 91% to 7.4%. And the category that was 100% profitable on stocks? Only 9.5% profitable with options. The staircase pattern is still there, but everything shifted dramatically downward. Why? Time decay. When you buy a stock at an oversold level, you can hold it as long as you need. There's no clock ticking. But when you buy an option, every single day that passes costs you money. Theta, the time decay component, eats away at your option's value, whether the stock moves or not. RSI-2 signals typically take 5 to 20 days to play out. At 0.40 delta with 40 days to expiration, you're losing roughly 2 to 3% of the option's value per day just from time decay. Even when the stock bounces, the option might lose money. Look at the win rates by category. Penny stocks, 1.3% average win rate. That means on average only 1 out of every 77 trades was profitable. Low-price stocks, 7.6%. Mid, 12.5%. High, 20.3%. Ultra-high, 28.4%. Even the best category only wins about 1 in 4 trades. Compare that to the stock-only version where high-priced stocks had win rates above 60%. Let's look at stocks you actually know. NVDA, 55 trades, 33% win rate, lost $143,000. AAPL, 13% win rate, lost $184,000. MSFT, lost $177,000. GOOGL, lost $148,000. TSLA, lost $144,000. Every single one of these lost money. The closest to break even was MU at negative $3,500, and Meta had the best win rate at 41%, but still lost $12,700. Only 58 stocks out of 1,610 made money. The top performer was COR at plus 15,400 with only 4 trades. RGLD and WM both had 100% win rates but with only 3 trades each. Notice the pattern. The few winners all had very few trades. The stocks with the most RSI-2 signals, which generate the most trades, were the biggest losers. More trades meant more time decay. The worst performers. XRT lost 441,000 on 63 trades. A BCB lost 432,000 on 56 trades. XHB lost 425,000. These are ETFs and financial stocks that had tons of RSI-2 signals during volatile periods. Every signal meant another option purchase, and most of those options expired worthless. Key takeaways. 1. RSI-2 works on stocks, not options. The signal is real, but time decay destroys the edge when you use calls. 2. Higher-priced stocks still did better, but even the best category only had 9.5% profitable. 3. The average trade lost money across every single price category. 4. Options add a timing component that mean reversion strategies can't handle. You need the stock to bounce fast enough and far enough to overcome time decay. 5. If you want to trade RSI-2, buy the stock. Don't buy calls. RSI-2 on stocks. 100% of expensive stocks profitable. RSI-2 on call options. 96.4% of all stocks lost money. Same signal, same timing. Options turned a winning strategy into a losing one. Next video, I'll test the reverse. Buying puts on RSI-2 overbought signals. If buying calls on oversold failed, maybe buying puts on overbought will work. Subscribe so you don't miss that one. Data doesn't lie.